people, when they go to a breakfast restaurant and they want eggs, they say they want hard-boiled, scrambled, or maybe even sunny side up. But my favorite is poached, and I'm going to show you how to make it. What you'll need is a skillet or pan, this deep, a ladle, a slotted spoon, chicken eggs, a bowl, vinegar, oil, cooking oil, paper towels, knives, a knife, a fork, and a plate. Optional things are pepper and salt, and bread. First thing you need is to fill up the pan with hot water. And remember, it has to be 2 inches. Next, add a little bit of vinegar into the pot. Now, this is important. We want it to not go not too high or not too low. We need it to simmer. Now, the next part you need is to crack your eggs.
See ya.
The water looks like a good simmer. Next, put your oil in. Oh, not too much though. I'm coating the inside of the ladle so the egg doesn't stick that much. And if there's extra, I save it for later. Okay, it looks like it's gonna get ready to get poached. Pan clean